In the heart of a bustling city filled with activity, a family lives a life full of excitement and diversity. The family consists of four members: father Sami, mother Layla, son Youssef, and daughter Sarah. Sami works as a manager at a large company, while Layla is a journalist. Youssef is a high school student who is passionate about sports and music, and Sarah is a university student aspiring to become a fashion designer. Every morning, the family's life begins with the city's hustle and bustle, as they face traffic jams and prepare for their daily tasks. After their day ends, they gather at home to share their stories and experiences, where each tale is filled with thrilling events. Whether it's details from Layla's journalistic interviews or Youssef's achievements in sports competitions, every moment becomes an opportunity to exchange stories and inspire one another. On weekends, they make it a point to explore the city and taste new aspects of it, whether visiting art exhibitions, attending concerts, or enjoying sports activities. Through these activities, each family member strengthens their connections with the city and with each other, creating unforgettable experiences. The life of this family reflects how living in a busy city can be filled with excitement and diversity, where each member adds a unique dimension to their shared life. As time passed, the family's life became even more exciting due to the events and activities they participated in. One day, Youssef received a golden opportunity to compete in an international sports championship. The training was intense, requiring additional support from the family. Layla wrote a special article about Youssef's participation in the championship, which made her return home late every day, while Sarah helped Youssef prepare and provided moral support. When the day of the championship arrived, father Sami had organized a surprise for his family. He arranged a small celebration to honor Youssef's achievements after the championship.